Right, we're going to have a look at the NAS, and I'll give you my trade plan for a new trade. Before we jump into it, I'll show you a couple of things. This Gold EA since 2024, that's 2024, that's 2025, now 2026, is available, and all you need to do is join here. Full VIP access to Telegram, Discord, mentorship, trading view indicators, everything, and you get the Gold EA for free. Accounts under $5,000. So if you've got a big account, talk to me. So you can join here. So the URL is my website, then gold-ea-bot. I'll just click on join VIP over here, and that's it. All right, over here on the right, this gives you access to the Gold EA plus everything else. This is just ridiculous, guys. All right, so limited time only. And if you want to take the indicators for a run, 7-day trial, and then only $29.95 after it. So changed our pricing. Okay. Seriously, we can connect your MetaTrader 4 or 5 to this, free with VIP. All right, let's get back into the NAS. Right, let's look for a trade opportunity for today. Okay, we've had this dump and then the rally back. Now here's the thing. Well, if we pick up a line, pull it through, see what we got. It's running into, will that do it? It's pretty bright. Yeah, okay, so it's pulled back into this level. So you got resistance, support, resistance. You know, I would look to get long if it breaks above and comes back and retests that. That's for sure. So let's just go down the time frame and maybe the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple, right? There's a line there. What I want to see is higher high. Let's keep this really simple, all right? There's a buy opportunity I want to see. What's this? Oh, it's that thing. Hang on. Bear with me. I was going to take that out. No, percentage change. Nothing. Okay. All right, that could be a buy. Let's keep it really simple, guys. Don't complicate things. So there's a buy opportunity. If that breaks this high, so what I want to see with it would be, you want to see this. Just grab text. You want to see a higher high, right? And it comes back in and gives you a lower high, and then it holds up, maybe 30-minute chart or even a 15. Right, so that's an idea on that breakout of this high, and it holds here. So you want to see this, see how it did that. Well, you want to see the same thing, right? Just grab that, okay? And if it breaks above, if it holds and it breaks out, that's your opportunity to get long. Simple as that. Just keep it really simple. All right, so that resembles this breakup structure here. Right there. Okay, copy and paste that. I want to see that there. If it doesn't break out and we get a lower that, if we get that break under here, that would be a lower low. Let's copy that. Right, LL. That would be a short, possibly down into here. That would be sell. Couple of ideas. So at the moment it's range bound, right? You can't get involved with this. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's go to a 15-minute. Oh no, we'll stay on the 30. All right. I'm going to grab volume profile, and we're looking at this range, and I want to pull it from there. See this? So this is the breakout of the volume profile, price discovery. It goes into price discovery, potentially. I mean, it may or may not, right? It could just run up above here and then trade back down into it. So that's the risk. And then under here, you break below that blue line, and it goes into bearish price discovery. So it's basically the blue lines that you want to keep an eye on, right? So the best way is you just grab the volume profile and look at this range here, the high, come down to the low, and then you pull your volume profile from the low point. So it's this candle back in here, right there. And you can also grab a fixed range. You can grab that and just right on that candle there, pull it through. If you're going to use the fixed range, you want it to extend right. Yeah, Bob's your uncle. There's your point of control right there. You can see the high and low of the volume profile. So yeah, break out of the volume profile range, and that's an opportunity. Now here's another thing: you could fade it back down if it breaks back in. So I don't want to get too complicated with this, but if it does this and it does that, right? That's your target. You could short it on that, similar to back in here. Okay, just going to keep it short and sweet. Don't need to make this complicated. Right? Breaks out, we buy. Breaks down, we sell. Simple as that. Just keep an eye on the range. What else can I say? Yeah, I mean, look, the opportunity could come within the US session tonight, maybe. At the moment, it's just the Asian session and it's range bound. I'd love it if you comment, guys, and support my channel with a thumbs up. That would help me a lot. I'd appreciate that. I mean, if you've gained any value at all from the video, that would be a really nice thing to do. Okay, with that, I hope you have a great day. And again, coming back to earlier on in the video, let me just show you this. See how you get these candle color changes here, and you got this yellow. There's a buy under here. It turns red. There's your sell. This is the range, right? It turns green. There's your buy. That caught you out, and then it breaks out of value, and then you get these signals, and away you go. 1 minute chart. Right? So this is very easy to follow on a 1 minute chart. I'll show you. This is my lucid trading futures. I got 3 accounts. I trade 1 and it transfers to 3. But since we've introduced the indicators, the scalping, what I just showed you then, that's what's been happening on the account. Prior to that, it was a bit of hit and miss. But yeah, I'm up 51,000 on this account. Started these ones a bit later. Yeah, getting there. Yeah, I mean, so that's something you can do on a 1 minute chart, guys. And I traded this morning, had a nice outcome. Yesterday was really good. Right? I'll be doing videos on this every day and dropping them into Discord. There's going to be mentorship videos, trade ideas. Look at these trade ideas here, worked out nicely. Yesterday's trade ideas were really good. Okay, we had these 2. Look at that. That's the outcome. Oh, hang on a minute. Yeah, that's right. That was yesterday's trade idea. And just take the next buy signal. Right, so, I mean, this is now $29.95 a month. You can access this. Anyway, go to the website, anthonyfx.com, and give it a 7-day trial. Okay, with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and see you in the next one.